Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn what is ruled command, and we will also learn what is preserved option in ruled command. So let's start. So first of all, I have just placed the command here. To place the command, just right click in the ribbon and then click on customize, and here search for ruled, and then you can just have a drag and drop. In this way, you can have the command in the ribbon, or you can directly search the command from here also and just click on it. So let's understand what is ruled command. For that, we are going to just read the definition. It is going to create a body between two sections where the ruled shape is linear transition between the sections. So basically it is going to create a body, whether it is going to be a solid body or the surface body. This command is going to be get used in both the cases, whether for the generation of the solid body or for the surface body. So here it is going to create a body where the ruled shape is linear. Okay, so the basic need of ruled command is that it needs two sections. Let me just show you. Here is section 1, here is section 2. And later on we have the preserve shape option, which I have mentioned in the very beginning of this video. And later on we can have the adjustments, or you can say as the alignments regarding the transition. So now let's start with this command. So I'm going to have this as section 1 and this as section 2 and this as section 2. Now be very careful while selecting the section 2, because if I select the section 2 from here, so now you can see the output is self-intersecting. So make sure you follow the same criteria which you have followed for the section 1. Like in the section 1, I have selected this line and the arrow direction is also in this way. So make sure to place your selection from here, and the arrow direction should also be same. Otherwise it will show as output is self-intersecting. So have the basic criteria for the selection. Like for the section 1, I have selected the section 1 from this line. So make sure to select the section 2 from this line, which comes directly parallel to the another section. Now here we have the options as arc length. So basically these are related to the isoparametric curve. You can see here aligns the isoparametric curve at equal arc length intervals along the section. And same here with the parameter, but here the difference is that at equal parameters. Here was the at equal arc length and here is at equal parameter. So it's all up to you, like what you want to use. Now you can see the alignment is perfectly aligned, and we also have the preserve shape option as activated. Like if I just go to the arc length, so you can see this gets blurred out. That means we cannot use the preserve shape with arc length, but we can use the option of preserve shape with parameter. So just click on OK without preserve shape. Okay, so that we could analyze the difference between both of them. Now in case you want to give the blend to the sharp edges, so just go to the edge blend, and if I just hover my mouse here, I can give the blend here. And what about this edge? On this edge you can see I am unable to select this. So what I am going to do, just go to the ruled and just go to the edit with rollback and turn on the preserve shape. Now click on OK. Now again go to edge blend, and here I am going to pick this edge. Now you can see we are able to pick the edge. So what is the functioning of preserve shape? Preserve shape is basically preserving the sharp edges of the body. In the earlier case, like without the preserve shape, I was unable to select the edge. But in the case of preserve shape to be activated, I am able to select the edges for the edge blend. So in this way, we can have the knowledge regarding the preserve shape option in the ruled. Now let's go to the layer 1 for the another example. So here is the layer 1 and we have two sections here. I'm going to turn off this layer. Just let me put this into layer 1. Now Just go to the ruled command, and here I'm going to select this circle, and I will select the section 2 from this line because this is going to be parallel to this. Now just reverse this direction, and here we have something like this. Now we have already analyzed about the parameters and arc length, so we are going to understand what is bipoints. Basically, in this video, we are going to cover only the main alignments which are mostly used in NX. So here's the bipoint. Like, you can place the points like this for the proper alignment. And this is going to be somehow time consuming if you have not already placed the points on the circle. Now just click on OK. Here is the preview for this. And if I just distort it, like just go to the edit parameters, and I'm going to distort it somehow like this. Now you can see this is entirely disrupted. Now just do one thing. If you want to have the quick alignment in this, just go to the by angle. Like here we have the angle. Just choose the vector in which the profile is moving and specify the point as center point. So this is how we could have the alignment like this. Now you can see this has been done. But in the case if you're using the angle, you are unable to use the preserve shape. But in the case of bipoints, you are able to use the preserve shape. So it is all up to the designer, like what parameters or what adjustments they are going to use in the ruled command while using the ruled command. Okay, so this completes the video on the ruled command. If you have learned something new, please do hit a like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.